Very good. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rita and I'm the Cooking Nut, and today I'm going to be showing you my current favorite juice combo. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It really helps. It goes a long way and it's free on your end, so thank you. We have a pineapple. I have 2 passion fruits. These are the big ones. They are really juicy. I have a lemon and some ginger. These 2 work as preservatives to slow down the rate at which the pineapple ferments, okay? So there we are. I'm going to first peel the pineapple because it goes in here first. It doesn't blend at the same speed as this one, so you need to create that balance. Make sure to wash your hands, wash your chopping board. And since we are going to peel, I'm not going to be perfect at peeling it. Please be perfect at peeling the one when you're going to eat or yours, ideally. Someone who knows me is out there saying, Rita is going to put the middle thing. No, this is my favorite thing to eat, so no, I only remove the not so sweet parts. This one I'm going to give my friend who is here, then this one is going to be mine. You can blend it if you want. If you don't want, I have seen the upper class as you want to pretend you are throwing it away. So you need to get your boiled water, pour in enough. Now, when the pineapple is at this stage, well blended, I'm going to add in the ginger, which I should have added in at the beginning, but you know I'm also a person. I was just eating the pineapple and forgot. Look at how juicy these are, and they are really strong and juicy. The reason we are adding them at this stage is so that the seeds are not super blended, and because it's this type of passion fruit, it's going to add in the color. When we put in the passion fruit, we pulse blend. Like this. The reason is so that we don't break the passion seeds because they're not so pleasant. They are quite hard, but we want the juice to get off. I think that's good enough. Let's go. You can add in as many passion fruits as possible, but I only need 2 to slightly change the color and the flavor. Otherwise, the ones I'm using will overpower the whole juice, and I don't want that. So yeah, you can see the pulse blending leaves you with your passion fruits whole. It doesn't break them, and that's what you want. You need to finish all the juice in this pulp, all of it. Don't reach at this stage and then you collect and throw away. Even the president doesn't do that because he never cooks anyway. When I say you milk it, this is what I mean. You're going to grab your lemon. So you want to test if this juice has enough sugar. Make sure to always fill cups. There you go. The person who cooks takes the balance. I hope you try it and like it. I hope you subscribe and stay around, and also tell the rest of the people or the world that we are here and we are doing the Lord's work. Bye.